Hi folks, thank you for listening to 77.7, the Lucky Station.
Today we are talking about physiology of big air snowboarding.
Yes, we are. I think we're going to have fun today, Quinn.
Yes, today is going to be very fun, Connor.
First things first, we're going to define an anaerobic exercise.
An anaerobic exercise is a physical exercise intense enough to form lactic acid.
One example is cycling. Next, an aerobic exercise is an exercise that stimulates and strengthens the heart and lungs. One example is jogging.
Big air snowboarding actually involves both of these types of exercises.
Snowboarding requires rapid changes in pace and direction, and it requires you to pay attention to the terrain over which you're traveling.
Arteries are any of the muscular walled tubes forming part of the circulatory system, by which blood is conveyed from the heart to all parts of the body.
Veins are any of the tubes forming blood circulation in the system of the body.
Capillaries are any of the fine branching blood vessels that form a network between the arteries and venules. Your heart rate is based on the number of contractions and ventricles heart rate normally measured in beats per minute.
Stroke volume is the amount of blood pumped by the left ventricle of the heart in one contraction.
Cardiac output means the amount of blood the heart pumps through the circulatory system in 1 minute.
Blood pressure is the pressure of blood in the circulatory system.
Your cardiac output changes during exercise from a normal 4 to 6 liters of blood flow passing through your heart to 21 liters per minute, which active individuals, and up to 35 liters per minute in elite athletes.
As you exercise, the blood vessels in your muscle dilate and the blood flow is greater.
When you start exercising, your blood pressure raises from your resting level blood pressure.
When exercise begins, the breathing speed is picked up because the body needs to get more oxygen throughout the body and to get rid of more carbon dioxide.
During an adrenaline rush, the body goes into flight or fight mode and many side effects happen. Adrenaline is a stress hormone secreted from the adrenaline glands and kidneys.
Wow, what a great conversation we just had, Quinn. Phew.
Yes, that was very great. Oh, and one more thing for all you folks still listening out there, we would like you to go visit our website at www.theluckystation.com for a diagram for more information on what happens to your body during an adrenaline rush.
Oh, thank you for remembering that. I almost forgot. And folks, trust me, it's pretty interesting. So go take a look. You won't regret it.
Thank you for tuning in to 77.7 The Lucky Station. Signing out are your hosts, Connor and Quinn, the Irish Gingers, and we hope you tune in next time for their final report on big air snowboarding at the Olympics.
See you next time.